Today's objective is to get in the sky and then actually land it, and perhaps taxi it back to himself.
Oh, it's awful windy for this baby. Apparently I have not solved the heavy nose leak problem. Oh, something's off of this.
Yeah, we just lost something. Hopefully just a piece of monocoat. Okay, she's obviously still a bit tail heavy. And again, throw in the 25 to 30 mile an hour breeze.
Just been trying to land for about 4 minutes now.
Let's see if we can land this one a little better than I landed that 4-star.
Get it back.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is considered a successful flight.
No, it's not. It didn't walk. Walk of shame. Damn it.
Sure looks better than my 4-star does.